Alright, let us start it. Studio.com, click on it. Choose your favorite operating system and download it. So here, I'm on my VS Code, or my Visual Studio Code, and you will see all these interfaces here. So if your VS Code opens up like mine here, you just require to click on this file here. So before, on the line, we were talking about this website.html. Remember, all HTML website have to end with a .html tag or HTML. That one must be the ending of a HTML website. So from there, we talked about the doctype HTML. Doctype HTML is the HTML version 5, and then we talked about the first line, which is this one, which is HTML lang is equals to, and then we have two quotes, and then we have en. So this line of code here is talking about the HTML language, or the language that we are going to be using on our website. And from there, we introduced a title here, which is known as the coding army. The coding army will be the title of this simple web page. And then you can see for the title, we have an opening tag and also a closing tag. Remember, all closing, mostly, or most of the HTML closing tags have to end with an angle bracket and then a slash. Then we have the body. This information inside the body will be displayed once the user goes to this web page. And this is the information that will be shown on the screen, which is this one. The information that will be shown on the screen is that this is our first sentence. That is the information that is going to be shown on the screen. We introduce this body attribute or body element, whichever. So we say it's a body. We open the body and then we close the body. Remember, to close the HTML, you have to use these two, kind of slashes. You have to use a backslash and an angle bracket. You have to use an angle bracket and then a backslash. So let's take a look at this HTML. So from there, we are going to click on top here. As you can see, there are all these tiny things here. Today, we are going to talk about the second from the left hand side. So the second from the left hand side is this one. Once you click on that one, it will open what we call a terminal window. A terminal window is this interface which is open here below. As you can see, it is running on PowerShell. I won't explain much about it today. And then once you are on here, once you are here on your terminal, you just have to click on these three buttons here. Once you click on these three buttons, scroll down and then click on Learn Active File. So once you click on Learn Active File, you will be directed to your favorite browser or your browser that is default. And then from there, you can see a lot of stuff. Remember, this is the title that we saw on our web page, that this is the coding army. And then we also have a sentence that introduced inside our body, which is this is our first sentence. Also, you can see the location of the website or the web page location inside your memory. You can see for mine it's in files in the location of D, in the drive D folder known as Python/10 Python projects. Then we have websites.html. So that is how to open HTML HTML web page, how to learn to check what you are doing. So we can also introduce something else here before, as I have already said in the area. We can call it this one as H1. So remember, once I do like this and I call it H1, it means that it will be big. Let's see the difference between H1 and H6 on this tutorial. Then the rest I know you can do them on yourself. So here write H6, and then here you say hello guys, and you will see the difference. So here just write hello guys, and then I save the file. To save the file on VS Code, just click on Ctrl S. That is what we used to save. Remember, that is how we save beans. And then I will just click on Learn Active File. And as you can see the difference, once I input this one H1, it is saying it is the first biggest heading. It is the font is very big here compared to the H6 of the website. The H6 is the last one. So with that said, see you next. I will see you next.